Good morning everyone, I am Claire Bicapin. For today's video, we will be making a screwdriver. Screwdriver is composed of 5 centiliters of vodka and 10 centiliters of orange juice. And the method to be used is belt. And the garnish we use will be orange slice.
This club is closed forever. This is the police speaking.
Paging Dr. Beat. Emergency, emergency. Paging Dr. Beat. Emergency. Emergency. Emergency.
Our next cocktail is Cuba Libre. Cuba Libre is composed of 12 centiliters cola, 5 centiliters light rum, and 1 centiliters of lime juice. The method we will be used is build, and we will garnish it with orange slice or any lemon slice.